Hey everybody, Mikeycat Outdoors here. So what are we doing today? We're out here at Illinois' Iron Furnace. It's a nice little picnic site. If you want to come out here for a while. If you're near Garden of the Gods, it's going to take you down one of the north Iron Furnace roads. This is actually closer to Elizabethtown on South Iron Furnace Road. So let's check it out. Illinois' Iron Furnace, a blast from the past. Woohoo! Closed in 1861, came to life again in 1872, used sporadically. Last furnace fires flickered and died in 1883. Rebuilt and enlarged in 1856, furnace reached 32 feet in height. It says the community comes alive. Took about 40 men to keep the furnace in blast. That's pretty cool. Fueling the furnace for 6 to 9 months of the year, it was in blast. You have the sounds of axes, picks, horses, wagons, hard-working men. Yeah. So, Iron Furnace, Martha Furnace down the road, Cave and Rock. That's where all the limestone came from. Pretty cool. You got Jack Moore's iron mine down here, and that came from Elizabethtown a little while ago. That's a pretty neat little town. So this just kind of shows you the innards and how this all worked. They had a loading bridge, load stuff down into the hole. You got your charcoal, your limestone, your iron ore, Bosch and crucible, and then your slag and molten stuff would come out down here. Pretty cool, man. Bellows to keep it all hot, and casting shed to cover the oink oink pig iron. Pretty neat, man. Well, there she is. That's a sight to behold. Got one of the holes over here. And just imagine what this was like 150 plus years ago, man. That's wild. All that limestone was quarried. Let's see the other side there. But yeah, they would have bricked that off, I'm assuming, to keep people out of there nowadays. Imagine back in the old days, it actually had stuff coming out of there to some extent. But that is tall. And you got a little trail over here too. You want to get up to the top of it. Wow. Kind of what it would have been like loading this way up here. Another little part of the path going down there. Don't look so tall this way. Well, we got a nice little picnic pavilion here. In memory of Larry Rendleman, 1993. So you can have your barbecue out here. Have a lot of fun. Take in the view, beauty of the Iron Furnace. Got plenty of parking out here too. Plenty of gnats too, so you might want to wear some eyeglasses or something out here to keep them out of your face. Bug net. They are thick today. Well, everybody, if you like what you've seen, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, all that good stuff if you want. If not, don't hurt my feelings. But I'll catch you again in the outdoors. As always, thanks for watching. Have a good one, man.